In the vast tapestry of nature, few sights are as heartwarming and enchanting as that of ducklings. These tiny, fluffy creatures embark on a journey of growth and discovery from the moment they hatch, navigating the world around them with curiosity, resilience, and boundless energy. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of ducklings and uncover the secrets of their remarkable lives. Chapter 1: The Miracle of Birth. The documentary begins with the miracle of birth as ducklings emerge from their eggs, breaking free from their shells with determination and instinct. Viewers witness the tender moments as mother ducks, or hens, carefully tend to their newly hatched offspring, providing warmth, protection, and guidance in those crucial early moments of life. Chapter 2: Learning to Swim. As ducklings grow, they embark on one of their most iconic adventures, learning to swim. With their downy feathers and buoyant bodies, they take to the water with surprising ease, paddling and splashing under the watchful eye of their mother. Through trial and error, they master the art of swimming, a skill that will serve them well throughout their lives. Chapter 3: Foraging and Feeding. Ducklings quickly learn the importance of foraging for food, following their mother as she leads them in search of insects, plants, and other delectable treats. Viewers observe the ducklings' insatiable appetites and watch as they eagerly gobble up their finds, growing stronger and more independent with each passing day. Chapter 4: Bonding and Socialization. Throughout their journey, ducklings form strong bonds with their siblings and mother, engaging in playful antics and forging lifelong relationships. Viewers witness the heartwarming moments of camaraderie as ducklings huddle together for warmth, share food, and communicate through a variety of vocalizations and body language. Chapter 5: Facing Challenges. Life for ducklings is not without its challenges, and they must navigate a world fraught with dangers such as predators, harsh weather, and competition for resources. Through resilience and adaptability, they overcome these obstacles, relying on their instincts and the guidance of their mother to ensure their survival. Conclusion: As our documentary draws to a close, viewers are left with a newfound appreciation for the remarkable journey of ducklings. From their humble beginnings as fragile hatchlings to their transformation into graceful adult ducks, these little wonders of nature remind us of the beauty, resilience, and interconnectedness of life in the natural world.